Well, now really, when we go back then to falling in love and say it's crazy, falling, you see, we don't say rising into love. There is in it the idea of the fall. And it goes back, as a matter of fact, to extremely fundamental things. That there is always a curious tie at some point between the fall and the creation. Taking this ghastly risk is the condition of there being life. You see, for all, the life is an act of faith and an act of gamble. The moment you take a step, you do so on an act of faith because you don't really know that the floor is not going to give under your feet. The moment you take a journey, what an act of faith. The moment you enter into any kind of human undertaking in relationship, what an act of faith. See, you've given yourself up. But this is the most powerful thing that can be done. Surrender. See, and love is an act of surrender to another person.
Hey, buddy girl. Wow. It does have pockets, you're right. All right, let's do this wedding thing.
I think my favorite thing about Jacob is how easygoing and just playful he is, like 24/7, and it makes everything so much lighter to do with him.
I guess just my last thing is just thanks for doing this with me. Thanks for being a part of it, being half of what we will be here in just a couple hours. I'm super grateful I get to do it with you, and let's do it. Let's finish this whole engagement thing strong and get on with our lives. Let's be a happy married couple.
Today we got a little rain. Did you notice? And we needed the rain. We needed it to nourish the land around us, to renew. May that love of God be that for you. Today you'll remember it rained during a drought. You have the love that also.
Take you, Jesse, to be my wife.
I take you, Jacob, to be my husband.
I promise before God and these witnesses to be your faithful husband.
To share with you, in plenty and in want,
in joy and in sorrow,
sickness and in health,
to forgive and to strengthen you,
to join with you, so that together
we may live in the Word of God.
I thought we could both use some change, a newer perspective to see how life looked in a different lane. But here in your arms I can't leave now, 'cause I don't wanna let go of us. Got lost somewhere along the way, chasing the grass that looked.
My wife went up to you and he said, we just adored her so much. And she's such a good person. My wife said, Jesse, I have 2 sons and you can have your pick.
So I don't wanna let go. Love has a funny way of growing, for those that don't mind slowing down. Time is as fleeting as the sunset, hiding in the evening cloud. So live with me here in this moment now. I've started to notice a change, and every morning I see you, lovely in all kinds of ways. I can't express what it means to me when I come home to this. Love has a funny way of growing, for those that don't mind slowing down. Oh, time is as fleeting as the sunset, hiding in the evening clouds. So live with me here in this moment now. Oh, live with me here in this moment. Love has a funny way of growing, for those that don't mind slowing down. Time is as fleeting as a sunset, hiding in the evening clouds. So live with me here in this moment now. Can we live right here in this moment?